Today, follow my step. I'll take you to visit our high-speed hairdryer motor factory. 20,000 square meters of dust-free workshop, 3,500 pieces shipped every day. Automatic assembly equipment through strict operating standards to ensure the efficiency and quality. In our R&D center, the motor must undergo a large number of system tests before delivery. This is why customers from more than 30 countries to choose us. Our products never cut corner. We have technology, patents, and after-sales service. So if you're a brand owner, a dealer, or a trader, if you are planning to buy a high-speed hairdryer to start your business, contact us.